That is ultimate style.
I like this so much about you that you just don't care what you look like, do you?
What do you mean? I look really good. So our plan today is Rufus and I have come up to Snowdonia. We're going to do an up there and back type trip. Now, normally I'd go and watch some YouTube videos, go and see how easy it is, what the terrain's going to be like, but I haven't bothered doing any of that. I've just looked on a map and went, oh, there's a bridle way, we can get up there. It's about 7.5 miles in total to the top, I think, we've got to ride. 2,600 feet straight up and back down again. Looking forward to it.
Just stunning and really fun but easy going, and so far the weather has been kind.
Loads of climbing, really slippery grass, so it's been raining absolutely loads, so we use loads of the walk assist. Moving. Yeah, that one's good.
Walk assist.
Press the button, hold it down, and give it a shove to get it going, and then it's on its own. Look, one hand, easy.
I like this walk assist because these bikes,
They'd be hard work.
They are heavy.
Yeah. To get away from me, I'm not this quick. Here comes the rain again, coming up the valley. There you can see it. I'll be impressed if he makes this part. It's pretty slippery. And there's the rain. Oh, it's hail! Ow! That's not rain. Ow! That's evil.
This is a really painful hailstorm. This is horrendous. Right, I think this is probably end of the line for me. I'm going to let you do this next bit. See how you get on. From what I can see, this looks pointless.
This is good. Okay, so can you book the air ambulance? And I'm going to carry on. Well, I don't reckon there's steps, as long as there's steps.
This is the bit where he wants to give up, but he knows he can't because I'm watching him.
So I'm a little bit stuck. This is almost impossible. Almost meaning this is possible. Gonna give it another go.
This is where I've got to stay resolute. That around that corner there's just more of this.
Okay, heading back down the hill.
He's back. How'd you get on?
Yeah, I got to the top actually. It's really nice up there. Had a little look around. I don't do change of plan, alright?
Yeah.
Ow! This is hurting, this is hail. Ow! Oh, right on my nose, that one. And it's only a little nose. It's got to the point that it was getting to it was a little bit dangerous. So we did the first set of steps, but then it became really loose rocks. Ow, I'm stopping.
I think let's just get what's the plan now?
We're going home. This hurt. is.
It's wet, it's slate, it's skiddy as hell. I'm doing fists. My hands are so cold.
You did that with no fingers. So now we're on our way back down and we're getting attacked by hailstorms. It's like somebody's got a catapult full of ball bearings and it's just been fired at our faces and it really hurts. So we're well on our way down our descent. And I think we've dropped below the clouds, so we've not got so much hail now, so it's starting to ease up a little bit.
That is astonishing. I was having a bit of a moment back there, a bad one. That Dan had led me astray. Hands had gone freezing. And quite frankly, it was dangerous. But this, now we're back in business.
I'm gonna go home and buy some goggles tonight.
And it didn't work. And I'm really upset. So I feel like I've wasted a day pretty much.
Serious?
Oh, yeah, yes, very serious. Oh.
Dan, that was getting quite dangerous.
Yeah, but danger's good, isn't it? My family say that I just don't know when to stop, and they're right. But it would have been good, wouldn't it?
It was good.
No, but it would have been really good if we'd have actually made it. We could have held the bikes over our heads like this. Hooray!
Yeah, another one of your victory.
Yeah, exactly, little dance. But we failed.